All right, before we get to Todd, we have a heads up for all you stargazers out there. Tomorrow morning will be treated to a lunar eclipse, and it's going to be the last of its kind for another 3 years. The moon will seem to disappear for about an hour and a half between 5:16 and 6:41 in the morning. Plus, it's also a blood moon, so that means it's going to look red. The last full lunar eclipse we had was back in May, and the next one is not coming until 2025. Will skies be clear for that, Todd?
Is this tomorrow morning? Yes, okay. They will be. If you go outside to look at it, you may have made a mistake. Yes, you won't need your coffee in the morning. The air will definitely wake you up. But you can look at it, out the window, and it'll probably look just as nice.
Or bundle up.
Yeah, maybe put on a jacket.
I don't know.
That's a good warning.
After this stretch, look how amazing it's been. We've been around 70 or higher, setting records from Friday through the weekend. Today, we're going to do it again. And then tomorrow the party is over and it stays cold until early Thursday. And then it does get milder for the end of the week, but we won't be setting any record highs again. We actually have some rain showers passing through northern New England right now. There's not much to show you at the moment in southern Maine. There's some sprinkles down around Kittery and the New Hampshire seacoast. We've seen the showers taper off for Lewiston, for Augusta, and about to in Waterville. Eastern Maine's still getting wet. Light showers in Bangor, a little steadier and heavier to the north as you get up to Lincoln and back over to Dover, Foxcroft. These are going to be passing real quickly off to our east, so you won't have, again, much wet weather at all today, just a few light showers. Temps are so impressive. They never cooled off last night. You almost could have left windows open in the house last night. That's how warm it was outside and still is. There's a cold front passing. The air behind it doesn't get colder immediately. It's lagging that cold way up here in southern Canada. This comes through late this afternoon, and the wind shift will bring down that cold. So that's what's going to happen later today. We're going to go from 70s to 60s, and then bottom falls out after dark. Showers early, then clearing, already very mild out. A lot of midday sunshine into the early afternoon. Wind starts to pick up, again abnormally warm, probably setting some records. During the afternoon and evening, it's clear, it's dry, no issues getting home. Keep in mind, though, our sunset now is around 4:30, and as that sun goes down, those temperatures will be sliding too, but not after we hit these numbers. 70 to 75, that would be a record in Bangor. That would be a record in Portland. Our average, our normal high is 52, so like 20 degrees higher. Tomorrow, so much colder and blustery. We'll have wind chills almost all day long in the 30s and 40s. We'll have a high temperature around 50. Same thing on Wednesday, minus the wind. Thursday and Friday are milder, and there won't be any rain around, but that probably ends this weekend. There's going to be some sort of tropical system barreling into Florida in a couple of days, and that moisture could make a run up the eastern seaboard. And right now it looks like rain is likely for us to start the weekend on Saturday. And if it comes from the tropics, it could have some tropical downpours with it, and we could end up with 1 inch to 2 inches of rain right now. So that's kind of what we're plotting, how close the remnant moisture from that system gets to us and how much we would see. But right now, Saturday, the start of the weekend, isn't looking great. Marine forecast, gale watches are up for tomorrow, but don't sleep on today. Getting out there with a south wind, terrible direction, gusting to 30 knots. Big chop out there too, 4 to 6 footers. So here's the 7-day forecast. Clouds now, a few showers lingering, and then it's sunny and it's very warm, near record 70 to 75. So much colder tomorrow, brisk too. The sun will be nice, but being outside, you're going to need hats and maybe gloves. Wind chills will be in the 30s, especially early. 50 in the afternoon, 50 on Wednesday, no wind there. Bright and milder on Thursday, a few more clouds on Friday, and then we've got rain to start the upcoming weekend.
All right, I have tested the automatic car starter. I know it works.
Oh, really?
Very important.
You're ahead of the curve then.
You're
ready to roll.
All right, but we'll enjoy today in the meantime.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sarah.